What's going on everyone, it's Magnus Bulkan here. I'm pretty excited to make this video because I'm going to be giving out a free training program. It's going to be a power building style program, which basically means that it focuses on building muscle and strength at the same time, because that's how you get big as a natural lifter. And it's also a beginner program. You're a beginner if you've lifted for under 1 year consistently, and you're a beginner if you lifted for about 2 years on and off. And you're also a beginner if you can progress with the weights weekly. That basically just means that if you're able to add 5 pounds to compound movements every week, you're still a beginner. So here's some reasons that you should try this training program out. Well, first of all, this is not just from experience. I've done a lot of research, so everything's backed up. It has the proper amount of volume for beginners. The program also has a good amount of exercise selection and variety on reps and sets as well. This program also has DUP. DUP stands for Daily Undulating Periodization. That's basically that throughout the weeks you vary your reps on certain exercises to gain strength and muscle at the same time. So on Monday we got the strength focus day. That's mainly going to be compounds and low reps. On Friday we also got a lot of compound movements, but it's going to be high reps, so it's going to be more hypertrophy focused. And on Wednesday the main difference is the exercise selection. It's a lot of different exercises to prevent you from stalling, to prevent muscle imbalances and much more. Okay, so I think I can put my middle finger down now. But yeah, the program just has a good amount of volume for every muscle group. So if you're starting this off as a beginner, you won't be imbalanced. You won't have like crazy big arms and not a chest or back, for example. You're gonna look pretty balanced out. I don't think I've mentioned the split already, but it's gonna be a full body training program, so it's gonna be 3 times a week, preferably Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So a lot of people don't think that full body is good, and I'm gonna explain to you pretty fast why full body is good, and it's definitely the best way to go if you're a beginner. So you're gonna have more rest days, meaning that you're gonna recover better from every workout, and because of that it's gonna be a less chance of you stalling or plateauing on this program. So you're probably just gonna keep upping in the weight for a long time on this program. And beginners don't need as much volume as intermediates and advanced lifters, so there's no need for you to stay in the gym for 5 or 6 days a week. And because you're training your muscle group 3 times a week, you're gonna learn the exercises way faster, which is basically gonna result in a less likelihood of you injuring yourself, and also you're gonna gain muscle and strength at a faster rate. And the last reason why you should try this full body workout program is because your muscles are going to be ready to go in 48 hours. So why wait even longer? That's exactly what you're going to do if you're only training your muscle groups once a week, like a typical bro split. So don't do a bro split, try this full body out. Now I'm just going to quickly talk about why this program doesn't involve a lot of bicep and tricep exercises. The first reason is because we do a lot of compound exercises. For example, the pull-up and the bench press. The pull-up is going to train your bicep to a big degree, and also the bench press is going to train your tricep to a big degree. So as long as we focus on compounds, you're still gonna grow them. And don't get me wrong, there's still tricep and bicep work in this program, but not a lot. But you don't need that at all, especially for a beginner. So just stick to the compounds and focus on them, and you'll get stronger arms. And as I said previously, you don't need a lot of volume if you're a beginner, so just stick to the compound movements and focus on progressive overload, and you'll get big that way. And there's a couple of exercises for abs in this program a week, but if you want to, you can add additional ab exercises because they're not taxing on the body at all. And if you got any other questions regarding the program, you can ask me down below or as well on Instagram. But before you ask me any questions about the training program, please check it out in the description, because it comes with a couple of pages that are going to help you understand the training program. So before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for 1,000 followers on Instagram. I greatly appreciate it. And if you can like and share this video as well to help me out, and as well help beginners out, because I promise this program, I've gotten a couple of my friends in this program. The progression for them has been amazing, so just please spread the word. Check it out. Thank you for watching. It's been Magnus Bulkan. I'm glad that this video was finally done so you can try the program out. And you're probably going to be a little bit skeptical, because I know a lot of people are skeptical to full body programs, but just try it for a couple of weeks. I promise the results will be amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.